What's going on, guys? It's Josh and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get free or highly discounted products on Amazon to review for the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you're like me and you have gone and scoured your house and found everything possible to review, and now you're looking at yourself like, what am I going to review now? I have a solution for you, and it is called Freebieflow. I'm going to link that link down below, and it is an affiliate link. So if you click on it and you do sign up, that is much appreciated for a small channel like myself. But essentially what this does is it is a bot that you connect to your Amazon account. The bot is going to then buy based on the discount that you want. Let's jump into the computer here and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is Freebieflow. This is exactly what the UI interface looks like. And it is essentially a bot. That's all it is. It's a bot that sets up to the Amazon API. There's a whole process that you're going to go through, and it's pretty step-by-step. It's pretty basic to get into it. But essentially, once you set that up to your Amazon account, you're going to go ahead and edit. And depending on the price that you want to spend, you're going to have different metrics that you're going to tell the bot what to do. So if you want completely 100% free products, you're going to set it all the way up to 100, and your max price at this point doesn't matter. Once you set that up, the bot then gets to work. So as you can see over here, the bot has actually purchased a selfie stick, and I have that selfie stick right here I use for filming and different things. But that selfie stick was $29.99, and I got it for $1.69. Now, if we go over to Amazon and we look at it, you can see that this selfie stick by itself has over 4,000 purchases in the last month. So the bot's actually purchasing really good items. The problem with this one is there is no upper carousel video. And we know with the lower carousels being gone that this wouldn't be a good one to review. However, if they bring lowers back, this would be a perfect one to review because you might be placed. So I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna review this, but at this time right now, I'm just using it for video filming. If we jump back into this site here, you're gonna see that it has purchased a lot of stuff. And the variable that I set up for it was, I'm gonna do 85% off, max purchase is $20. And you can actually go into your Amazon accounts once something is purchased and you can cancel it so you don't need it. For example, these heel pad shoes for women, I'm not gonna use them. My wife didn't want them. So we canceled that order and it was a wash, good to go. The other thing is if it is a bad product. So for example, let's say this picture frame, or let's go, that's a bad example. Let's go down to this camping light. This camping light, we know that the season is gonna come up for camping and people are gonna be looking for products like this. This light in itself wasn't a good seller on Amazon. However, we could have kept this light because it was $29.99 and we purchased it for $10 and marked it up to $20 and try to sell it on Marketplace and try to flip it for $10 profit if you wanted to try to do that. Realistically, I probably would have kept that and not sold it because the commission wasn't there for it. However, on bigger products, so for example, we got this 12-pack airtight food storage, free $99, the best kind we like. Well, and let's go into Amazon and see if it's even a good product to review. So it has 53 ratings, it doesn't give me any data, and it's currently unavailable. So that's not a good one to review. However, I got it for $0. I can then sell it for whatever I want on Marketplace and make some profit on it. So you're gonna make commission off of that. So you don't have to review everything. It could be another side profit that you're gonna have on top of reviewing it. So the stuff that isn't a good seller on Amazon, you could theoretically just flip it, get rid of it, and use this bot to source products that Amazon has and then sell it. Couple other things is you can see this wired gaming mouse. Got this wired gaming mouse right here. Haven't reviewed it, haven't looked at it. It was $9.99 on Amazon. Let's go into Amazon here. You can see that 100 of these were bought last month, and there are there's 0 influencer videos for this gaming remote. And so I will probably do a review on it, and you're probably gonna find my channel here on this page at some point. I'm gonna save this, and we have a free, essentially a free product. That bot got us that product for $1.05. Super cheap, super cheap. Now the thing with Freebieflow, you do have to pay for it. So you do have to pay for it. You can see right here, Freebieflow is $49 a month. But right now they're having a code February 2024. I'll also put that down in the description with the link if you want to click on this for $10 off. You can hit subscribe, and you're off to the races. Personally, I have been trying this for the past 14 days. I'm probably going to keep it because it saved me a lot of money. For example, you can see right here, it has saved me over $434 on products that the bot purchased for me. So I didn't have to go out and spend a ton of money to try to find products to then review. This bot actually just got them for me and sent them to my door, and they just show up. It's perfect. It's awesome. And when you get an order, you're going to get that notification like you normally do with an email or a text from Amazon. If you don't want it, cancel the order and you're good to go. If you do want it, go flip it. So I just wanted to do a brief overview of this. I wanted to show you guys another way to source products. There's not a lot of research that goes into the products. Obviously, the bot's just going to buy them. But if you don't want them, you can make profit and flip them. So this is just another tool in the arsenal of tools for the influencer program. And I hope that this just gives you a little bit of insight and a little extra tool to help you as your influencer business grows on the side. So if you like this, go ahead and hit like. That means a lot to me. Go ahead and comment below if this is something you're interested in, or if you even like stuff like this. If you like me finding these programs, testing them out before I actually bring them to you, that means a ton. And if you liked this video and stayed this long, guys, I appreciate it with all my heart. Thank you so much. It's not easy to get on YouTube and do things like this. So we're really trying, and we will catch you in the next video.